In today's video, I will be teaching you on how to make this behind the character text on Capcut. So sit back and let's go. Open the Capcut app and import the audio and video you want to edit. In this video, I am using the Golden Hour song by JVKE, but I cannot play it here because of the copyright. The next thing you will do is add lyrics, and the good thing about Capcut is you can add lyrics automatically. All you need to do is tap the text option and go to Auto Lyrics. And once you generate the lyrics, the next thing you will do is split it into single line text because it's too long and I want to emphasize some text. You can customize it according to your preference. And after that, we need to add font to our lyrics. You can pick the font that you prefer. Now we will move the text to the subject and scale it. Note that when you make changes to one of the lyrics, the other one will be changed. But if you want the other lyrics not to be affected by the changes you make, you can uncheck the Apply to Auto Captions option. Now we will be adding animation to the text, and to do that, just tap the lyrics and go to the animation option, then choose Out Animation, and then look for Dissolve Up Animation, and adjust the animation duration to max. If you have observed the animation make the text disappear too early, so to fix that, you simply long press the first text and drag it below. Now adjust the duration to overlap a little bit with the other text. Readjust the animation duration of the text after it, and do this to the other text. Now we will add a black overlay from the stock videos. To do that, just tap the Overlay option, and under the Stock Videos tab, choose the black one. Then scale it to cover the whole video and adjust the duration to the end. And after that, you need to export the video and make sure that after exporting, don't press the Done option, just press the back. After that, we will be back to our video. And now, tap the Undo button until the black overlay is gone. Now add the video that we exported earlier to the timeline. After that, press it and look for the Overlay option, then tap it. Once it is overlaid, all you need to do is drag it to the beginning. Press the overlaid video and tap the Blend option. Then from here, select Lighten. Then press the video on your main track and duplicate it. Then remove the background to the duplicated video. To do that, just press the duplicated video and look for the cutout option and choose the Remove Background option. Once you remove the background, press the video and overlay it. To do that, just simply look for the Overlay option under. And now for the final part, we will go to Text and choose Style. After that, adjust the opacity to 0%. Then go to Stroke and choose the color white and adjust the thickness to 4. And we are good to go. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you.